Hello, it's Big Chuds, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chuds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chuds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about a classical charting concept called an early move. Now, this is actually similar to what is called an out-of-line move, and basically what it means is in a consolidation range, you have a well-defined peak, right? Well-defined lows, and you get an early breakout or an out-of-line move in the direction of the eventual break. So, for example, here's a tweet I put out from back in January of 2025. And prior thrust above, we see the price range here. We look at the image, we see the range peak, we see the range lows. We get an early break above what is looking to be a move in the eventual direction of the consolidation. So early move and out of line move are essentially the same concept. I have a separate video on out of line, but an early move is essentially when you have the price in a well-defined range. Price makes an early break in the direction of the trend that brought it there and in the direction of the eventual break. Well, how do you know it's an early move and not an up thrust, for example? Well, you'd watch for volume clues. With a lack of volume here, if it's heavy volume on the breakout and comes back in, it's more likely to be an up thrust. But if it's just a light volume push above, back into the range, it's just the price revving up, getting ready, pushing in, almost similar to the concept of an ascending triangle with the rising demand structure, and you have more aggressive buyers along the way up. Here you get a kind of a peak above, a little push above the structure, and the price most likely will continue because trends tend to continue. So when you hear me talk about an early move or an out of line move, and it essentially just means an early break in the direction of what looks to be the way the price is going to continue. So this is what's called an early move, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube at Chuds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chuds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you, folks, and talk to you soon. Big Chuds out.